Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Paypenny app. In order to do so, here we are at paypenny.org. And if you are interested in using the Paypenny app, you're going to need to install it on the device of your choice. It's available in the App Store and in Google Play. So depending on whether you're using Apple or Android, you're going to want to go to the appropriate store, and then you can download it and get started with Paypenny. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Roamless eSIM. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.